Looking to transform your space into a lush, inviting retreat without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some effortless plant decor ideas that will make your home feel like a vibrant oasis. Let's get started. 1. Lush indoor hanging gardens. One of the simplest ways to bring a burst of greenery into your home is through hanging plants. Whether you use macrame hangers or sleek, modern planters, hanging plants add a dynamic layer of texture and depth to any room. Start with easy-to-care-for plants like pothos or spider plants. These hardy varieties thrive in various lighting conditions, and their trailing vines will create a beautiful cascading effect. 2. Simple shelf gardens. Turn your shelves into green showcases by incorporating small potted plants. Arrange them in a variety of heights and sizes to create visual interest. Succulents, cacti, and small ferns are perfect for this setup. Use decorative pots or containers to add a personal touch. This setup not only brightens up your shelves but also keeps plants within easy reach for watering and care. 3. Statement plant corners. Transform a dull corner into a focal point with a statement plant. Choose a larger plant like a fiddle-leaf fig or a monstera to fill the space. These plants can stand alone or be paired with smaller companions to create a mini indoor garden. Place the plant in a stylish pot that complements your room's decor and watch as it becomes a conversation starter. 4. Plant wall art. Create a stunning plant wall by mounting a vertical garden. Use wall-mounted planters, pockets, or grids to display a variety of plants. Opt for a mix of trailing plants, succulents, and ferns to keep things interesting. This idea not only adds greenery but also makes a bold design statement that will captivate anyone who enters the room. 5. Charming plant stands. Elevate your plant game with stylish plant stands. These come in various designs and materials, from minimalist metal stands to rustic wooden ones. Position different plants at varying heights to create an appealing arrangement. This is an excellent way to showcase your plants and add an extra layer of visual interest to your space. 6. Windowsill gardens. Maximize your windowsills by turning them into mini gardens. This space is ideal for plants that need bright, indirect light. Herbs, succulents, and small flowering plants thrive in this environment. Use uniform pots for a cohesive look or mix and match for a more eclectic feel. It's an easy and accessible way to enjoy fresh greenery. 7. Indoor plant displays. Arrange plants on a tiered plant stand or a simple console table. Combine various plants with different textures and colors to create an eye-catching display. Adding decorative elements like stones or moss around the base of the plants can enhance the visual appeal. This setup is perfect for entryways, living rooms, or any space that needs a touch of greenery. 8. Low-maintenance plant accents. For those who prefer low-maintenance options, consider incorporating air plants or fox plants into your decor. Air plants require minimal care and can be displayed in creative ways, such as in glass terrariums or mounted on wooden plaques. Fox plants, on the other hand, offer the look of greenery without any of the upkeep.